Welcome to the recorded demo video of Property Tax Management System for Jan Suvidha Kendra. In this video you will be introduced to the features and functioning of the system. Visit the official eGov portal and click on the Admin Login option on the system interface to access the admin functions. Upon selecting Admin Login, a list of modules will be displayed. Select the property module from the available options. Upon selecting the module, the user will be directed to the login page. Enter the username and password in the corresponding fields provided, then click on the login button. After clicking the login button, the user will be redirected to the property home page on the JSK dashboard. The JSK dashboard provides an overview of application summaries and options for related actions on the property home page, including applied applications, total collection, collection report, search applications, recent applications, and apply assessment. To initiate the mutation process, navigate to the View Holding option on the dashboard and search for the desired holding. Enter your search credentials and click on the Search Record option. The search results will be displayed. Select the View option to access the complete holding details. The complete property details will be displayed along with options for property-related actions. To apply for mutation, select Apply Mutation option to access the Apply Mutation application form. Upon clicking on the Mutation option, the user will be redirected to the Apply Mutation application form. The Apply Mutation application form will display detailed information about the required fields for your convenience. The user must fill in all the required basic details in Step 1 of the application form, including transfer mode, date of purchase. Previous holding basic details are pre-filled. After completing all the required basic details, proceed by clicking the Save and Next button. In Step 2, the user must fill in all the required property address and details in the application form. Village or Mauja name, area of plot, road width, city, district, PIN code, and address are pre-filled based on the previous holding. The user must complete the remaining details, including building name, street name, location, landmark. If the corresponding address is the same as the property address, tick the checkbox, and then proceed by clicking the Save and Next button. In Step 3, if there is no electric connection, please uncheck the relevant option. In such cases, the user must upload an affidavit form. If there are no changes in the electric connection of the previous holding, proceed further by clicking the Save and Next button. In Step 4, click the Add Owner button to access the Add Owner form. The user must fill in all the required owner details in the application form, including owner name, gender, date of birth, guardian, father or husband name, relation, mobile number, Aadhaar number, PAN number, email. Select Yes under Armed Forces if applicable, or otherwise, select No. Select Yes under Specially Abled if applicable, otherwise, select No. After completing all the required details, proceed by clicking the Add Owner button. The user can add multiple owners by repeating the same method. Upon adding the owner, proceed by clicking the Save and Next button. In Step 5, click the Add Floor button to access the Add Floor form. The user must fill in all the required floor details in the application form, including floor name, usage type, occupancy type, construction type, built-up area, in square feet, from date. After completing all the required details, Proceed by clicking the Add Floor button. The user can add multiple floors by repeating the same method. Upon adding the floor, proceed by clicking the Save and Next button. In step 6, the user must fill in all the required additional details in the application form, including zone. Select Yes if the property has mobile towers, otherwise, select No. Select Yes if the property has hoarding boards, otherwise, select No. Select Yes if the property has a petrol pump, otherwise, select No. Select Yes if the property has rainwater harvesting provisions, otherwise, select No. After completing all the required details, proceed by clicking the Save and Next button. All the completed details will be displayed for final review and consent before submission, along with the total payable amount. Click on the Submit button to complete the final submission. The form has been successfully submitted. A confirmation message will be displayed along with the total tax amount, details, and the option to payment. Proceed by clicking on the Pay Tax option to begin the payment process. Select the payment mode, enter the remark, and click the Payment button. The user will be asked for confirmation. After successful payment, a confirmation message will be displayed along with options to view receipt and view application. Proceed by clicking on the View Receipt option to access the payment receipt. Thank you for watching the recorded demo. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon to stay updated on our latest videos.